Hey everyone, welcome to Knoll Tech. Today, I'll show you how to enable Spotify Background Playback so your music keeps playing when you switch apps or lock your phone. First, open your phone's Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Now find Spotify in the list and select it. Here's the important part. Check if background app refresh is enabled. If it's turned off, enable it now. This allows Spotify to keep playing music in the background while you use other apps. Next, go back to your home screen and open the Spotify app. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner, then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Playback Settings. Now, enable the picture-in-picture option. This feature lets Spotify videos continue playing in a mini player when you switch to other apps, perfect for multitasking. And that's it. Your Spotify will now play in the background seamlessly. If this tutorial helped you fix Spotify background playback issues, don't forget to like and subscribe to Knoll Tech for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.